Hello and welcome to an overview of the Lightbox 3 management system. We'll first look at accessing the manager, then we'll look into the library. Next we'll go into screens, then afterwards we'll touch on themes. Lastly we'll go over the settings. Lightbox can be set to run on system start as you can see here. To exit to the manager you'll need to tap the bottom left of the screen around 5 times quickly or hold for around 4 seconds. Now you have 3 options: launch manager, exit Lightbox, or shut down the PC. We'll go into launch the manager. You'll need a pin to do so. The default pin is 874100. We're now in the manager. As you can see, we have interactives already created. This demo content is available to you on our website and can be easily imported. For more information on that, check out the import and export tutorial. There's a link in the description. The manager is where you have full control over all of your interactives. We're just going to look through it quickly for this video, but for more in-depth information, check out our other application-specific tutorials. First, let's look at the library. This is where all of the content you use within your interactive is stored. You can add content by simply dragging and dropping into the library window. Your newly added content will now be displayed as you see here. Once it's here, you can edit your content to add titles and descriptions, all of which are utilized in the viewer. To view all of the items in your library, select the Library tab again or press Show All. You can choose to display your library in list or grid format. And use the search bar to find specific items. You can also filter your library by media type like so. And you can also choose to display items by their import time frame, such as the last import, all items imported today, yesterday, and so on. You can also set the media to sort by title, date imported, date modified, and type, all of which can be arranged in ascending and descending order. The screen section is where you create your specific interactives, depending on which Lightbox 3 applications you're using. This can range from a collection screen, to a quiz screen, or any of our many other applications. Each of the applications are built using the same framework, which makes creating them easy. As I said earlier, for more in-depth information on how to build an interactive, check out the more specific tutorials we have. The screen section uses thumbnails for you to quickly distinguish between your different created screens. Here you can see the Attractor screen that is set. The screen you have set as the home screen, in this case a menu screen, and the link screens, which are those application screens currently accessible in some way from the home screen. The screens users won't be able to access yet are displayed under the unlinked section. This means there's no live menu that allows access in the viewer to those screens yet. I'm now going to quickly allow access to these 3 collections from the collection submenu. These 4 unlinked screens are comprised of 3 collection screens and a menu screen which links to each. To allow access to each of these screens, I'm going to link to the World War II home menu screen. from the collection's home screen, which itself is accessible from the main menu screen. First, I'm going to go to the collection's sub-menu. Then head to Menu Options. Create a new menu item that links to your other sub-menu screen like so. Make sure to hit save once you're done. As you can see, screens are now listed in the link section, which means if we launch our interactive, we'll be able to access them via the menu system. The theme section lets you brand each of your screens to your needs, adjusting various colors, font options, and interface items. You can create as many themes as you need for your screens. This is all done in the theme section, using the options in the various tabs. All of which are very easy to change. Themes are easy to work with thanks to the preview option. These allow you to see the screen as you customize it. The Settings tab provides various options. You can change your pin here, add multiple language options to the front end. This allows you to present your content in more than one language. You can enter any newly purchased licenses here to unlock new applications. You can also set your target resolution here. That is great if you're using Lightbox to develop content for a different system with a different resolution. The settings is also where you can export or import your content. That's it for the overview of Lightbox 3. Check out our application-specific tutorials if you want to learn more. All that's left to do now is to hit the big red launch button to exit the manager and enter the viewer.